pata mataito ndio hakuna.
Viongozi wa dini chini ya mwavuli wa Dialogue Reference Group wamekosoa matayarisho kwa uchaguzi mkuu, ikiwemo kuidhinishwa kwa viongozi walioorodheshwa na tume ya EACC kuwania nyadhifa mbalimbali za uongozi. Viongozi hao wanajumuisha Wakristo, Waislamu na wa Kihindu, wakipanga kutoa mwongozo wa uchaguzi wenye amani.
IEBC owes Kenyans an explanation. How come people cited by an agency which is constitutionally mandated to operate in that area have been casually cleared by IEBC? What was the criteria that was used? We recognize that there seems to be a weak law in the implementation of Chapter 6, but we would like to see the burden pushed to candidates that are cited for corruption to prove that they are not, rather than IEBC appearing complacent in the face of such allegations.
We urge Kenyans to resist these attempts with all their hearts. Remember that the gift you are given now are not in any way comparable to the damage such corrupt leaders will have on your life once elected.
The veracity or lack thereof of the August 2017 general elections rests wholly on the IEBC. There is therefore a great need for the Commission to take various measures to assure the